Hi, we're back. Thank you for clicking. My name is Tommy Kikoy and we will be doing a lot of reaction videos today. Alright, the first song that we will be doing a reaction video is the song by Ladies of Soul. They will be singing a Whitney Houston tribute. So without any further ado, let's go and watch the video.
Concept geboren en wij wilden eigenlijk vanavond een ode brengen aan deze fantastische artiest.
Why does it hurt so? I gotta
kind to me. I went and did things I said I wouldn't do, but I found someone who loves me for me. So bad. Oh, why do I feel so sad? Thought I was over you. I've been crying, crying, crying when I don't love you. So why does it hurt so bad? I thought I had let you go. Why does it hurt so? I gotta get you. So, hurt so, yes you did, yes you did. Tell me now, oh you hurt me so. All at once, I finally took a moment and I realized that you're not coming back. And it finally hit me all at once, all at once. The smile that used to greet me brought in someone else's day. She took your smile away and left me with just memories all at once. Ever since I met you, you're the only love I know, and I can't forget you, though I'm facing all alone. All at once, I'm drifting all alone to sea, wishing you'd come back to me, and it's all that matters now. All at once, I'm drifting all alone to sea, holding on to memories, and it hurts me more than you know, so much more than it shows. All at once, I'm drifting all alone to sea, wishing you'd come back to me, and it hurts me more than you know, so much more than it shows. All at
That's it. They sang Whitney Houston medley, and I didn't grace in the performance, but still, they are very good. Their voices were so crazy, and they're singing with all their heart. I mean, they sing their heart out. That's it. I think I clicked the wrong video, but speechless. Anyways guys, if you have any more videos of Ladies of Soul you want me to react, please don't forget to click the like button and comment down below and subscribe. Okay, bye.